Among the powerful engines keeping AeroVironment at cruising altitude is the award of a 3-year, $97.4 million contract by the U.S. Army to develop Genesis, the generative environment for the next era of spectral imaging stimulators. Now, just so you're understanding, a lot about this and the other topics we'll discuss have little to no public footage available, given their new and developing status as sensitive security technology. So let's make do with existing footage from AeroVironment, mostly its known drone platforms. This new contract, issued through the U.S. Army's Aviation and Missile Technology Consortium, is aimed at building a hardware-in-the-loop (HIL) test environment to validate missile defense and electro-optical infrared sensor systems. The new system will allow for joint planning, modeling, and validation across multiple defense domains, including air, space, and missile defense. It's intended to support integrated air and missile defense development, including the Combat Capabilities Development, Command Aviation, and Missile Center and other government partners. This facility will be developed at Redstone Arsenal in Huntsville, Alabama, and will include advanced capabilities such as flight motion tables and cryogenic space chambers to simulate real-world environments for missile defense testing. Genesis will integrate multispectral projection, high frame rate imaging, precision optics, and facility control systems for dynamic testing of defense systems. The move into missile defense testing injects critical thrust to keep AeroVironment's stock price from taking a sharper drop. As of late, it's experienced volatility largely due to concerns about ongoing contract negotiations, particularly with the U.S. Space Force, fueling future uncertainty surrounding contracts like the Satellite Communications Augmentation Resource (SCAR) program. AeroVironment is working towards a firm, fixed-price contract to deliver ground stations, though the contract was temporarily paused while both parties align on a commercialized solution with an expedited timeline. AeroVironment's expanded manufacturing capacity in Albuquerque, New Mexico, is being used to support this program, giving it confidence about delivering systems ahead of its competitors. Elsewhere in the defense sector, outside missile defense and space programs, AeroVironment was recently awarded a $186 million delivery order from the U.S. Army for its next-generation Switchblade loitering munition systems. The order includes the Switchblade 600 Block 2 and Switchblade 300 Block 20, both of which are equipped with explosively formed penetrator payloads for defeating armored targets. This order falls under the Army's larger $990 million IDIQ contract for lethal unmanned systems, showing AeroVironment's continued success in the development of advanced unmanned and loitering munition systems. AeroVironment is also progressing in directed energy technology. Its 20-kilowatt Locust laser counter-drone system was deployed by the U.S. Army near El Paso International Airport, representing one of the first known operational deployments of high-energy laser technology for counter-drone missions. This system, part of the Army's multi-purpose high-energy laser (MPHEL) prototyping effort, is intended to neutralize drones more cost-effectively than traditional interceptor missiles. The Army has integrated Locust systems into various platforms, such as infantry squad vehicles and joint light tactical vehicles, enhancing the mobility and flexibility of this counter-drone technology. Further diversifying its portfolio, AeroVironment's UES division secured a $75 million 5-year task order from the U.S. Air Force for its research into biotechnology, biomaterials, polymers, and responsive materials for use in air, space, and weapon systems. The project aims to develop new adaptive materials to reduce lifecycle costs and improve resilience in military applications, including biomanufacturing, flexible electronics, and rare earth extraction. The research will utilize AI to accelerate material discovery and testing, further demonstrating AeroVironment's role in pioneering new technologies in both defense and material science. AeroVironment is also expanding its capabilities in advanced airspace integration. In partnership with KL Analytics, it developed a beyond visual line of sight BVLOS Airspace Management Facility at the National Advanced Air Mobility Center of Excellence in Ohio. The system integrates AeroVironment's AV Halo command control architecture with Cal Analytics platform, enabling military and civilian drone operators to conduct missions in shared airspace. This development could serve as a model for future BVLOS integration standards, facilitating safer drone operations in U.S. airspace. Kind of like how investors use stock charts and scanners to navigate the market with a platform like TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.